Artificial intelligence is like a giant, has evolved rapidly in the past 40 years, growing its own calculators, memory, and communicators. In the new era of evolution, it gets ready for movement, which inspires Benewake to develop its spatial data collectors, also known as LiDARs. This giant walked out of the offices, up into the air, out onto the streets, into the family, towards the industrial field, and even into the aerospace. As a prominent player of this process, Benewake has been promoting its technologies and products to every corner around the globe, applying them in various fields such as ADAS, intelligent transportation, the Internet of Things, intelligent agriculture, industrial security, etc. More wisely equipped than ever, Benewake warmly greets the future of AI. Benewake is dedicated to the research, development, and production of LiDAR, serving the modern society with more accurate spatial and locational information. To this end, Benewake has been equipped with the industry's cutting-edge technology and production and assembly equipment to ensure that every product is subject to multiple professional rigorous testing before being delivered to our clients. Currently, Benewake products have made its way to more than 90 countries and regions all over the globe, with a constant annual growth of 300% in sales, with its continual investments in technologies leading the product evolution. Benewake has now launched 3 product series: single-point TF LiDAR, long-range high-performance 3D LiDAR horn series, and high-performance automotive-grade LiDAR AD series. Cost control for modern transportation puts forward higher requirements. The various LiDARs of Benewake have created more viable solutions for intelligent transportations, such as efficient detection of parking spaces, smart inspection, and traffic flow survey, etc. No matter it is road traffic or rail transit, Benewake is always in the status of guardians to serve all kinds of travel situation. Benewake LiDAR is widely used in agriculture and mining industry to detect the height of material level and gives feedback on the real-time material level to increase the efficiency of production line or material transportation. Various industrial robots are equipped with Benewake LiDARs. AGV can efficiently realize obstacle avoidance, inspection, smart stacking, and many other functions in modern factories, as well as to assist clients to quickly build up a comprehensive border protection system at either factories, banks, prisons, and so on. Benewake LiDAR can effectively help other commercial drones, such as driving test drones, power inspection drones, logistics drones to complete autonomous tasks, fixed altitude flights, and other tasks efficiently. Featured high accuracy, high resolution, and excellent performance, Benewake LiDAR offers a reliable core sensor for each autonomous vehicle towards self-driving. Benewake has been seeking hard from myriads of differences with the objective of finding the optimum solutions for different clients, from every single product design sketch to manufacturing, then to the satisfactory delivery of products. Each one of these procedures is fueled the hard work, dedication, and the craftsman mindset within every Benewake staff. Facing the future, when technology will be no longer separable from our daily life, Benewake is determined to continue developing the technology of LiDARs and to create better AIs in the world, thus building smarter cities that are able to love and care for each and every individual.